Hey friends, today I'll show you how to create 3 voluminous high ponytails for thin hair. So let's jump in. For the first one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. I decided to leave some hair in the front, but that's optional. So you want to make 2 pigtails with these 2 sections. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. When our pigtails are ready, we want to bring them together and tie them both like that. Now we want to bring our ponytail created through the opening and tighten it. Tease a little bit the base of the ponytail to make it voluminous underneath. Brush the upper section so it's nice and smooth, and you're done. For the next one, we want to brush our hair into a middle ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Tie it with a clear elastic. Guys, by the way, I always do double my elastics just in case. Then we want to make an opening and bring our ponytail up. Tease a little bit the roots of the base of the ponytail. Brush the upper section, and you're basically done. For the next one, we want to select our top section, like I'm showing, from behind our ears up. Tie it with a clear elastic too, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Then you want to bring up your ponytail and tie the rest like I'm showing. Now you want to make an opening through the first ponytail and bring your ponytail through this opening up, and then bring your second ponytail through the opening, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's voluminous high ponytails for thin hair. But that's it for today. Don't forget to let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite and what kind of videos you'd like to see next on. And love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!